everybody, Danny here. Well, by golly, let's paint a tree in. I've used the watercolor pencils because I just want to keep reminding you that it's perfectly okay to use them right along with your regular watercolors. Let's head on over to easel and paint a tree. I'll meet you there. Alrighty, by golly, here we go. It's time to color in the tree. Kitty decided to stay white because if Kitty were painted dark, he'd pretty much just disappear. And we don't want that. We want Kitty to be visible. Now, I'm using the watercolor pencil because I love them and they do a great job. And it's perfectly okay to use that watercolor pencil in your paintings wherever you would like to. Okay, now we're just coloring in the tree. Some of these branches I'm going to make activated. Some of them are not, because they're going to stay nice and soft, and that is what we're looking for. Now, as you might imagine, I'm working my way around the easel here, okay? Because it's necessary. Otherwise, I'm not going to be able to get this all painted in the way I want to. So, never be afraid to work your way around an easel. You know, if you need to move around to one side, do so. It's perfectly okay. And we're just pulling in the dark color just like this. Now tomorrow we'll hang a few things off of the tree and essentially call this little exercise done. So be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Hit the notification bell to get all notifications. Leave us a comment. Let us know how we're doing. And remember, above all else, that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. Well, that was fun. Now tomorrow we just got a couple of things to do. We will call this done. Okay, and we got some good stuff coming up next. So be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit that link, leave a comment. And remember, above all, that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you.